What is your dream vacation spot?
Maybe somewhere with waves crashing against the beach, somewhere with towering mountains, or somewhere with millions of different kinds of people.
Well, what if I told you that the most diverse city on Earth isn't out there, but in here? That's right, it's the gut microbiome.
A community of trillions of microorganisms living primarily in your large intestine, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and archaea. In fact, about 1 to 3 pounds of your body weight is just microbes.
So, how do the bacteria get there? Well, the first exposure is when babies get coated in their mother's vaginal bacteria. Then, environmental factors like family, diet, sleep, geography influence colonization.
Once they get to the gut, the microbes affect many processes. For one, your gut microbiome trains, shapes, and regulates your immune system so it can react only when it's supposed to. In fact, gut bacteria constantly shed fragments, like lipopolysaccharides and peptides, that immune cells sample through specialized M cells in your intestinal lining, which act like security checkpoints, allowing samples through without letting bacteria invade. About 70% of your immune cells live in or around your digestive tract and gut associated lymphoid tissue or GALT, which are immune command centers stationed along your intestines. In the GALT, dendritic cells capture these fragments and present them to T cells, teaching them to distinguish friend from foe. For the friends, which are beneficial bacteria, specific bacterial metabolites like short chain fatty acids signal immune cells to develop TREGs, a specialized type of T cell that suppresses immune responses to prevent your body from attacking itself and control inflammation. For the foes, which are harmful bacteria or pathogens, dendritic cells sound the alarm, activating killer T cells and inflammatory responses. These aggressive immune cells multiply rapidly, release inflammatory chemicals, and work to eliminate the threat before it can cause infection or damage. This is why you get inflammation and fever when fighting an infection. Eating more plants and adding fermented foods introduces healthy bacteria to your gut while limiting unhealthy bacteria. Additionally, sleeping well and avoiding unnecessary antibiotics helps maintain the growth of these beneficial microbes, allowing the immune system to train better and reduce the risk of disease.
The gut microbiome also affects processes in the brain, metabolism, and cardiovascular system. Learning more about the city in our bodies can better help diagnose and treat various diseases.